Tired of guessing how your crypto investments are really performing? Let's build a personalized crypto portfolio tracker so you can ditch the guesswork and take control. First, decide on your method: simple spreadsheet, API integration, or a no-code tool. We'll start with a spreadsheet, as it's the easiest. Open up Google Sheets or Excel. Next, create columns for essential data. These should include cryptocurrency, the name of the coin, purchase date, when you bought it, quantity, how much you own, and purchase price, what you paid per coin. Now, fill in your historical transaction data. Be accurate. This is crucial for calculating profit and loss later. For example, you might enter Bitcoin, the 8th of March 2023, 05, and $25,000. Add more columns: current price, the real-time price. You'll need to update this manually or through an API. Total value, which is quantity multiplied by current price. And profit, loss, the total value minus the initial investment. Calculate the total value and profit, loss using formulas in Excel or Google Sheets. The formula for total value would be equals quantity current price, profit loss would be equals total value quantity purchase price. Visualize your portfolio. Create charts to see your asset allocation. A pie chart showing the percentage of each crypto in your portfolio is a great way to see if you are diversified. For real-time updates, explore using APIs from exchanges or blockchain explorers. This requires some coding knowledge, but significantly automates the process. Alternatively, consider no-code tools designed for portfolio tracking. Many platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces to connect to exchanges and display your data. Finally, think about adding custom alerts with APIs or no-code tools. You can set up notifications for significant price changes, keeping you informed without constant monitoring. Now, go build that crypto tracker and invest smarter.